While in Panama, we stayed at the W Hotel. This is the ground level when you first walk in. There's a perfume store. You can buy perfumes, cigars, clothes for men and women, little gifts, trinkets, that sort of thing. You'll take the elevator to the lobby level. This is where they have one of their restaurants and where you can check in. I thought this area was so cute. There's games in every corner. There's a bar. There's ample seating. They have lots of TVs. At the time, the cup was going on, so there's soccer playing all the time. But it was just beautiful views in this little area. The hotel had a buffet breakfast, but honestly, we did not like it. For $32, you're better off going somewhere else in the city and getting better tasting food for much less. This is another section of the lobby area that we didn't really frequent that much. We only came over here to go to the pool. There's another bar right there, but this is just how you get out to the pool. The pool area was very cute. Unfortunately, we never got in the water since the weather wasn't really up to par for getting in the pool, but the area was super cute. There's another bar right there, and then sometimes they had a DJ who would play on top of the little platform. I thought our room was super cute. The room category is spectacular, 2 queens. I love the fact that there was this huge mirror behind the TV, made it super clutch when getting ready. Unfortunately, I hated the beds. The beds were hard as rocks. So if you need a comfortable bed to sleep in while you're on vacation, unfortunately, I don't think this hotel will be for you because my God, they need new beds. By the end of the trip, our backs were killing us.